XEC coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Ecash. What's going on? What's the price changes occur? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please, guys, stay with the XEC channel and guys, subscribe now our channel for more update and news videos about Ecash, guys. So guys, here you can see here, if we talk about the right now price of XEC coin 0.000237 USD dollar, that is right now price of XEC coin, and furthermore you can see 3.69 USD dollar percent the price range is going negative. Now you can see here in the right now situation, every coin I found positive, but now in this time XEC coin going in the loss. Not in the loss, guys, I'm just joking. You can see here in previous month, I mean in September, the Ecash price will repeatedly dump, but in the right now situation you can see here the price will repeatedly dump, but now let me show you price dump. But you can see here, just look here, I'm talking about that is October changes, guys. Price start positive changes, but they takes time to these negative changes will become positive, guys. That's why, guys, don't worry about these changes. Very soon they will become positive, guys. Very soon. Don't take it serious. You can see here trading volume is still positive. It's because in the latest situation, I mean last one day changes is positive, so that's why people investing more and more in a Ecash XEC coin, guys. So don't worry, just hold, be patient, and stay with the XEC channel for more update videos about Ecash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more update and news videos. Thanks for watching.